It stabbed me. Look at that. Look at that. It stabbed me. Today in the vlog, get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. We're going to Tristan's house. He doesn't know yet.
Yeah.
Oh, unless you told him. Did you tell him?
No. I'm too lazy.
Yeah, we're flying the Phantom today. We're in the car. Matt's calling Tristan right now. Did he answer? We're going anyways. Well, he wasn't there, like always. Well, and now what are we gonna do, Matt?
I don't know, drive.
We're stopping in this random location to fly the drone, I guess, so bye. Yeah! We flew the drone. And it was following us, so we were just like driving down a gravel road. So we have no idea what we're gonna do now, so you have any ideas? Whatever.
Wow, son, let me tell you about the time when I was your age. I drove like this.
We just were at McDonald's. There's Matt. So, I don't know what we're gonna do. Oh my god. What up?
I don't know.
How's the car feeling?
Expensively.
Shortcut. Going to the car wash. Get ready.
I can't hear what it's saying. I can't hear what it's saying.
What? That's not good. Car washes are so scary. I used to be scared coming to car wash.
Really?
Yeah, when I was really little, I was like, you want to come to the car wash? I was like, no.
Hey, the windshield's gonna be clean now,
Look
too.
how scary this is.
It kind of feels like you're moving a little bit when you look.
That's so loud.
Doing rinsing with fresh water.
Look at this.
Crazy.
Bam, 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 bam.
That was a waste of money.
That is the end to today's vlog. Now we're gonna do a stream. We'll already have done the stream by the time this is out, so yeah. Stay silly.
What the heck? Why is it